Dear users, this is our school software demo video. Today we explore student listing, how to add a student, how to upload student data, how to search a student by class and section or by admission number and student name, and also see the list of deleted students. First we go student listing. We see add a student, upload the student data, all students and deleted students. Then we go add students. Here we see the form of student. We fill this form and submit. For example, first name, Deepika, last name, state, select gender, female, joining date, date of birth, admission number 1029, roll number also 1029, select class 6th, select section B, religion Hindu, and also fill the parents information, address, student image, and parents image, then submit. Add successfully, done. Then we go all students. We see here all student profile will be here in this school. Then we see here a search option by class, section, admission number and student name. First we see by class and section. Submit. Here we see all profile in class 6. Then by admission number 9. Here we make the profile and also see the here a list menu. When we go in here, we see all details of student list in here, like admission number, student name, class, section, father's name, parents mobile, parents email address, gender, dov, all detail of student will be here. Then we go to all student and see here two option on here. First, download csv report. In here we click csv report will be downloaded, and by class and section, and also a add student button. In here also we add the information of a student. Then we go upload student data. In here we see the option of download sample student csv. When we click here, CSV file will be downloaded, and we open this file. Excel sheet will be open. We fill the all information of student in here and upload the file will be here and submit. Then we submitted file, all details will be here available. Like I choose a file and submit. Here upload successfully, done. In the list all detail will be submitted. Then we go to deleted student and see the detail of student deleted, and also we go all student list. In here we see the one profile, edit option and delete option. When we click delete, profile will be deleted successfully, and we see in deleted list here.